Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. This month's challenge is supposed to be barbecue sides, but I didn't really feel like making it, so I'm gonna make some something I was just thinking about today. Chicken Caesar wrap, or not wrap, sandwich. Maybe this could be doing some panko coated chicken breasts like I had done in the past. Batter them up, brown them, throw them in the oven, bake. I've got some of these take and bake rolls. I'll bake these up and it should be pretty good. I'm also having to work tomorrow, so I'm also prepping for tomorrow, and I might have to work Sunday as well, so I'm gonna be prepping for the next couple days of meals for work, so that's why I'm making so much. Alright, so I have 1.5 pounds, 2 chicken breasts. Bought from the deli case today. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up. Chop off all the fatty bits. Alrighty, so I got them all seasoned up, and need more kitchen space. Flour, egg batter, well, egg, just you see what I'm doing over here? Sorry, I'm just great. Now I gotta sweep again. So alright. So, chicken. I actually had to break out a second skillet. This back one here, because I ran out of room. A little too much food. These might have enough chicken for a couple days. Things got a little smoky off camera. Come here, glove. So let's get these in the oven. Alright, let's get that chicken pulled and checked, so I can I'm sure those are done. Get these. I'm gonna get these breads cooking, because these are take and bake rolls. And of course, anytime you tempt chicken, you want to chimp the thickest part. Done. 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 Sweet. Done. Alright, so it's all done. Let's get the bread in. I've got these before. They're just take and bake rolls. They're coming out all nice and hot. So I got a lemon because I was going to put lemon on the chicken. But then I forgot. So I'm just gonna squeeze it over the cooked chicken. Set half aside. Pick out the stupid seeds. Come on, jerk. Alright. Lemon will give it a nice freshness, and I really like it. So apparently not enough to remember it, but I like the way it tastes. So there's the lemon. And lemon goes really well with Caesar, so. Alright. While I'm waiting for my bread, I'm also going to make a side Caesar salad, because we're getting into summer, and I actually really like Caesar salad. It's one of my favorites. As it cakes out on my cheese. And we'll sit down and work on this while I'm waiting for the bread. Which only has 3 minutes left. Bread is done. See if I can quickly make this sandwich up. So, you know, I was gonna put this in a broiler and get it all melty. I think I'm just gonna make it as is. I mean, the bread is nice and warm, so I'm gonna go Caesar dressing. Maybe a little heavy in the Caesar dressing. Use a spoon and spread it out. We'll get it outside. Let's see here. Chicken. I don't want to miss out on the awesome batter. Panko. Alright, I had to open the package of Swiss, but I had to fight the package open. So, a piece of Swiss. Some bacon I cooked up just for this. Then I've got here, I've got some romaine. I made a salad with romaine too. I was just, instead of using extra, or rather than buying a head of lettuce and then also buying romaine, I just bought the one. Bacon kind of fell out. It's alright. Right tool for the right job. Okay. I love that dressing. Alright. So, chicken Caesar sandwich. Let's take a bite. Everything's kind of falling out of it. Yeah. Wow. You know what? That is really good. Oh, wow. I'll tell you what, kind of a mess. A lot of steps involved. Kind of fell apart. Tell you what, taste is phenomenal. Really good. I liked it a lot. I may be making that again for sure. You know, the chicken with the panko and then the dressing. Parmesan cheese. I gotta clean up too. I'm gonna go eat dinner. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for Cast Iron Wednesday playlist, which will also be at the end, and last week's video. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.